You don't know how to do a pour over? Figures. I find your lack of knowledge rather disturbing. Hey, are you tired of coffee elitists trying to tell you how to do a pour over? Stick with me and I'm going to teach you in under 3 minutes how to do it. Hey everyone, welcome back to Jacob's Bear Coffee, and today I am going to teach you how to do a pour over. Now there's two different ways you can do it. I'm going to show you the traditional way of using a scale, and then I'm also going to show you how to do it if you don't have any of that type of stuff with using a measuring cup. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is warm up the Chemex and the whole cylinder itself. So with the paper in, you're going to go ahead and heat up some water in your gooseneck, and you're going to begin to pour around in a circular motion of the funnel. Now, traditionally, you're going to use 14 to 21 grams of coffee, which equates to 2 to 3 tablespoons, basically. If it's 14 grams, it's going to be 2. If it's 21, it's going to be 3. That depends on your strength preference. After you empty the water out, go ahead and put the ground coffee into the funnel of the Chemex. The coffee you're going to want to use is a traditional drip grind or a slightly more coarse grind. Here you want to first slowly add water in a circular motion, just enough to cover the coffee bed with water to allow it to bloom. This will condense the bed of the coffee, so from here on out, it will produce an even extraction. Continue to pour in a circular motion until you've reached approximately 374 grams on your scale. The process between the scale and a measuring cup are very similar. If you don't have a scale, go ahead and use a measuring cup with 12 ounces of water. And repeat the same process as previously stated. Okay, now for the moment of truth. There it is. That's how you make a pour over. Well, there it is. I taught you guys how to make a pour over in under 3 minutes. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time. Thanks again for watching, you guys.